Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the March Boxyluxe Boxycharm box. Now, it's been a while since I have received Boxyluxe, and it's been a while since I've been able to actually do a try-on video for you guys. So I did peek in here so that I would be able to show you guys some of the products on my face, which is why I just kind of have a base makeup down right now. Now, the only thing I noticed that's kind of annoying for whatever reason is there is no slip in my box this month telling me the values of the products, so I will have to leave that in the description box for you guys. But if you guys want to see what I got in the March Boxyluxe and see me try some of it on, then just keep on watching. Quickly, I did want to let you guys know I am filming in a different equipment setup right now, so please do let me know your feedback on that. I recently was inspired by Carly Bible's filming setup. I'm waiting for a few new things to arrive, but I kind of have like a makeshift setup right now, and I just want to know if you guys like the lighting. Do you like the camera? Just let me know, because I can always go back to my other camera. I just am trying to up my quality for you guys. So here are the contents of my March Boxyluxe. First, I think I'm just going to share the stuff that I cannot try on for you guys. Then we will get into the makeup products. If you guys didn't know, Boxyluxe is a quarterly upgrade, and it's $49.99, and it comes with luxury makeup and skincare items. So first up, I have a body wash infused buffer from the brand Spongelle. I've had one of these in the past. I actually really do like the brand Spongelle. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. So I will pop this into my shower. It's just like a little flower-shaped infused sponge. I hate that I can't give you guys the values, because that's the one thing that's missing from this box, but I will add everything up and I will let you guys know what this box valued at. We do have another skincare tool kind of thing. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And when I opened my Boxyluxe last night to like plan this video, my boyfriend said that this looks like a vibrator, so that's nice. So this is a device for skincare and for washing your face. It says it has sonic glow technology with 7,000 vibrations per minute. This deeply removes the skin's impurities by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. Now, this is such interesting timing for me personally, because I am looking to potentially work with a brand with a product similar to this. I don't know how much this retails for, so I feel like I'm such a useless YouTuber right now, but I don't know what this price is at compared to some of the more well-known brands. But I'm pretty sure PMD is a very familiar brand in the skincare world, and I like that this has kind of a handle so you can hold on to that really easily. Now, does this have a little stand so that this can sit in my bathroom? It does. I'm just setting this up because I want to see how strong of a vibration it is. Why they gotta wrap this battery? Okay. So here's what it looks like. It comes with a little glass bowl to like set it in so that it can stand up on your counter. It has smaller, softer bristles at the bottom, and then at the top it has like more firm, bigger bristles. That's a very strong vibration. So the first setting is like a lower vibration, the second setting is a higher vibration, and then it has a pulse setting. All right, 2 pulse settings. So basically a vibrator for your face. But this is cool because I want to have a better skincare routine, and if this is going to help cleanse my pores, then I will definitely try it out. Look at how it sits up on its own. That's so cute. So next up, this is a mini ceramic curling iron from the brand Sutra. So I only have one curling wand. I actually curl my hair very often with a straightener. I am not a hair guru. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. So I think that I might end up getting use out of this, especially for traveling. Look how cute and tiny it is. I don't know what kind of curls this is going to give me because it is so small. So yeah, this would give me like tight ringlet kind of curls. I've never seen anything like this come in a subscription box like this. This is very interesting, and I definitely could use this for traveling because I hate bringing hair tools with me when I travel. I just feel like they're such a burden. So yeah, this is probably something that I could try a little later on. but it is a very small barrel. So for me, I like a nice wide barrel for like big kind of Kardashian, if you will, wavy hair. But this is definitely going to be useful for traveling, and I love that it's in a Boxyluxe. So next up are two minis from Sol de Janeiro. If you guys don't know, I'm such a Sol de Janeiro stan over here. Like, their Bum Bum Cream kind of started me on an addiction of their products. So they have the Bum Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream, which smells amazing. They recently reformulated it, so it smells more coconutty. Let me just make sure it's the new one. I think it is the new one. I can't really tell. One of them kind of smells more like buttery, kind of like buttered popcorn, people say, and then the new one is more coconutty. I kind of can't tell off the top of my head if this is the original formula or not. But these are so cute and so small, and again, I will use these for travel because the original big size is like that big, and I don't like bringing it with me, even though I do. I bring it with me every time I travel because that smell is my vacation smell. But I love Sol de Janeiro, so that is cool. Now, we have a gel liner in here. This is from the brand Appeal, and it says gel liner in the shade Mood, but it kind of looks like a lip liner, and I can't tell if it's a lip liner or an eyeliner because I don't have the card in the box. So I would have to Google, and Google is not available for me right now because I am recording on my phone, the audio for this video, and I am playing the video on my laptop. So I cannot Google this right now. When I hear gel liner, I think eyeliner. I don't think lip liner, but this looks like a lip liner color. I don't know if you guys can see if this camera is going to focus on this or not, but it looks like a lip liner color. So I could be wrong, but we're going to go ahead and assume that's a lip liner. It doesn't smell like anything, so I really can't tell. But we do have a lip product in the box as well. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Low Rider. And I don't know if I've mentioned this on my YouTube channel, but NARS is one of the only brands that I really don't have a variety of products from. I've tried their creamy concealer and loved it, but it was too expensive for me to repurchase, so I want to try more NARS on my channel. So here is the liquid lipstick. It's a really pretty pinky color. I'm going to put these on towards the end of the video. So I'm not familiar with this product, but we have a BECCA Skin Love Glow Glaze stick. I think it's a highlighter stick. That's one thing about this setup that I have going on. Someone just called me from a car dealership trying to get me to do a survey, and it stopped my audio recording, which is so annoying. But anyways, this might be a Boxycharm exclusive. I'm really not sure. Maybe not. I don't know. But this is a highlighter, a cream highlighter. I just don't remember ever seeing these from BECCA. So here's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch it before I put it on my face. Ooh. Damn, that's the only thing, again, about this camera. Like, it might be kind of hard to see how shiny and glossy and wet that looks. That's the thing about this setup that's different. My Sony, even though it does have its fair share of issues, my Sony a5100 brings out the vibrancy in highlighters and just makes everything look glowy. This camera kind of makes everything look kind of flat. So you guys might see that for the first time when I apply this highlighter. I don't know what the deal is. I'm trying to figure out my setup. I want to go buy Carly Bible's setup, but it's very expensive and that's quite the investment. But I might be purchasing that lens that she mentioned. So I have no powder on my face because I knew this was in the box. So I do have cream contour and foundation on, so I'm just going to pop this onto my skin directly and then kind of blend it out, maybe with my fingers or a brush. It's definitely giving that glassy skin look. But again, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it on this camera. So I'm just kind of putting it everywhere, and I will blend after. But But this is the last item out of my Boxyluxe. This is a Boxycharm palette, and I believe I saw sneak peeks of this, and everyone's kind of freaking out over it because it looks really, really pretty. It says, "Hello, Charmer." It's nice and sleek and thin. This just looks really, really pretty. All right, so I'm gonna pop this on. Wow, this is a very ancient Sigma brush. As you can see, it's quite destroyed. But I'm going to, let's see. Oh my God, the names. The names are so cute. The names are Boxycharm, Full Size, Exclusive, Spoiler, Luxe, Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, Pop Up, and Cup of Joe. All right, so I'm going to put the white shade, Boxy, on my lid as a transition. Like, just very sheer. I just want to sheer it out and make sure that my lid's not creasing. So there are like endless options here, but I don't want to go too crazy because I'm going to put that really pretty pinky NARS lipstick on. So I'm going to go into this shade called Pop Up, which looks like a beautiful highlight. But I'm just going to put this highlight shade on my brow bone. Ooh. I'm going to dip into Cup of Joe. It has a little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy. Nothing to be mad at. Ooh, it blends really, really easily. So just FYI, even if I hate this footage because of the camera, I'm posting it anyways. I'm trying to get over my fear of perfection and all that nonsense. So it's going up regardless. So if you guys like this video at all, then please give this video a thumbs up because it's always going to stress me out when I try to change things up. All right, so I think that's where I want it to be. I'm going to pick the pink glitter up with my finger because I finally got short nails again. It's actually like duochrome. Look at how that shifts. So I'm just going to pop this on. Kind of like a loose glitter kind of product. That's crazy. That transforms the look because this is like pink and green and all sorts of shifting. I'm just gonna blend a little bit. That's very different. All right, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes and mascara and be back to try on the lipstick. I'm also gonna swatch this palette so you guys can see it swatched. All right, guys, so quickly I went ahead and swatched the Boxycharm palette. Everything is really buttery and smooth and pigmented. All right, so moment of truth. We're just assuming this is a lip liner. If it's not, it's not, but it's a lip liner color in my eyes. So I'm gonna pop this on. I mean, with my luck, it's an eyeliner because it says gel liner. I would assume it is, but it goes well with the lipstick, so I'm wearing it. And then to finish up, we're going to pop on the Lowrider shade from NARS. I've never tried any of these NARS products. Oh, this is way, way brighter than I thought it was. It smells really good. I actually really like that formula. It's very, very smooth. It's very lightweight. I like that a lot, and it smells good too. All right, guys, so that was everything out of my March Boxyluxe. I definitely think that in other boxes, there's been more luxury products. I think the most luxury, in my opinion, is the NARS product out of this box, but I did really enjoy everything that's in here, and I'm definitely going to get my use out of everything. So for that, I really appreciate the mixture of products in here. Again, I didn't get the sheet in the box this month, so I'm going to go ahead and leave a list down in the description box of all of the products in here and the values, and then the total value of the box, which is usually well over what you pay. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like Boxycharm unboxings. I do unbox Boxycharm every single month on my channel. It's just different which variation I'm gonna unbox for you guys. I am very happy that I got Boxyluxe this month. And if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below where you can sign up. If you do sign up through my link, I do get a small commission, and it definitely means a lot to me. So thank you guys who have signed up through my link. But that's gonna be all for today's video. I am craving chips and queso, so I'm gonna go sort that out, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.